Having a difficult time choosing the best motorcycle helmet camera? Well, we're here to help you decide by giving you the list of the most popular brands in the market based on their performance, features, and price. Since you'll be mounting the camera on your helmet to document your road trips or experiences, it's important to find the right model. You'll need to have an action camera with high-def resolution and superior image quality. It should also be able to handle fast speeds and shaky movements. Well, stay tuned, as today we'll bring you the 5 best motorcycle video cameras. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we have one that's right for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now let's begin. Securing the top spot on the list is the GoPro HERO7 Black. It's hailed as the new king of action cameras, delivering exceptional video quality in all types of weather. Yes, it's definitely waterproof and ready to fight against the harshest weather conditions. It's also by far the most advanced GoPro on the market today. It's powered by HyperSmooth image stabilization technology, which guarantees ultimate 4K video footage even without the help of a gimbal. It predicts the movements, correcting camera shake motion and ensuring amazing videos. Convert long activities into shorter shareable movements by increasing the speed up to 30 times. It also lets you slow-mo the video up to 8 times using the high frame rate 1080p 240 video, reliving epic, funny, or interesting moments. And if you want to share your exciting experiences instantly, the GoPro app allows live streaming via Facebook Live. You can also stream live on other platforms by utilizing the RTMP, or Real-Time Messaging Protocol URL. Save the stream videos on a high-resolution SD card to preserve your memories. Switch to photo mode and use the Super Photo feature that intelligently applies HDR, noise reduction, and local tone mapping to optimize every shot you take. You'll have the most brilliant 12 megapixel images of everything you wanted to capture. If you think that this impressive feature stopped there, you're wrong, because you can also control the highly responsive motorcycle camera hands-free with voice commands, such as GoPro Start Recording or GoPro Take a Photo. It comes with a head strap that you can wear directly on the head or over a helmet. Before we continue with the next products, we want to share great news for all of our viewers that enjoy traveling. The team of ReviewTube has launched a new YouTube channel called Hotel Review. We're dedicated to providing the best travel advice by offering the best places to stay when you want to visit a new place. We have researched dozens of hotels in many places and will only show you the best picks, all aimed to help you make faster and better booking decisions. We've left a link in our new channel in the description below, so make sure to check it out and subscribe over there as well. Now let's continue. Our second product is the DJI Osmo Pocket handheld camera. This ultra-compact 4-inch camera weighs 116 ounces with up to 2 hours of battery life. It features a 3-axis gimbal for superior stabilization during the action. This built-in gimbal counteracts unwanted motions, which ensure ultra-fine video footage. It's also intelligently designed for people who want to tell a story. This can be a great tool for vloggers who want to capture moments into cinematic memories. It can shoot 4K footage up to 60 frames per second without a glitch. The time-lapse feature lets you squeeze longer videos into a single clip, while the motion lapse brings dramatic effects, transforming your videos into incredible mini films of your life. The built-in dual microphone with advanced noise-canceling algorithm captures high-quality audio, helping you create excellent voiceover for your footages. And when it comes to editing, there's also a dedicated app with premium tools that you can use to make amazing visual stories. For photo-perfect shots that are worth sharing, there are a 1 by 2.3 inch sensors, an f2.0 aperture, and 80-degree FOV, or field of view, that work together and deliver stunning details. It automatically illuminates low-light scenes, giving you brighter 12-megapixel pictures. For amazing selfie photos, tap the selfie mode to enable face track, putting you in the middle of every shot. Tapping the subject on the screen enables the active track to function. Securing our third spot is the Campark Act 74 camera. This portable camera can record real-time action at 30 frames per second in 4K resolution. It has a 170-degree wide-angle lens that captures every single detail of the scene. It also includes features like time-lapse, loop recording, and slow-motion modes that help make moving images smoother. Equally impressive is its HD quality of photos at 16 megapixel resolution, which can be viewed on a 2-inch screen of the camera. The superior visual quality is enhanced by setting ISO sensitivity, image sharpness, white balance, and exposure compensation. It also remarkably reduces any ghosting effect. All of your recordings are stored on the 32GB SD card that comes with the camera upon purchase. Another cool thing about this camera is its ability to go underwater up to 98 feet or 30 meters with a waterproof case. It's a perfect companion for snorkeling, surfing, diving, or swimming, as well as any other outdoor sports. It can be mounted on all types of motorcycle helmets, armbands, belts, bikes, and surfboards, allowing you to capture all the highlights of your extreme activities in various conditions. This versatile camera can also be used as a dash cam or security cam while recording your adventure as you drive your motorcycle or car. It's also equipped with an HDMI output and Wi-Fi system that allows you to connect with your smartphone, helping you share thrilling moments to Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The dual rechargeable lithium batteries can last up to 240 minutes of continuous shooting. If there's a product you'd like to see in one of our next videos, write them in the comment box and we'll feature your request as soon as we can. Join our growing community and watch more product reviews by clicking the subscribe button. Lastly, tap the bell icon so we can keep you posted. Now to our last two products. At number 4 on our list is the Aaso EK7000 sports camera. This powerful DV camcorder is true to its promise in delivering smooth and high-definition 4K video recordings. It's built with a 170-degree wide-angle lens that provides an expansive view, allowing you to capture wider angles. It also comes with a wireless wrist remote control that helps you select or change the mode while recording the activity. This 2.4GB highly responsive remote allows shifting from video to photo mode, framing shots, burst images, or time-lapse. The remote is not water resistant, so you won't be able to use it while shooting underwater or under harsh weather conditions. However, the durable waterproof camera case guarantees protection as you go underwater for depths of up to 100 feet. To capture moments automatically, program the intervals from 0.5 up to 60 seconds. The burst photo mode helps you capture moments at 30 frames per second. All images are sharper and more lifelike because of its 12 megapixel resolution capability. Stay connected to your social media platforms by utilizing the built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI components. Download the iSmart DV app on your tablet or smartphone to share seamless real-time videos or photos. This versatile action camera doubles up as a dash cam. Mount it on your car, then turn on the screen rotation and enable the loop recording function. It comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery guarantees up to 90 minutes of recording. Our fifth and final item is the YILIGHT action camera from Sony. It's small but incredibly impressive camera because of its amazing features. It has a 150-degree angle lens with an f2.9 aperture that can capture clear and bright images or videos. In low-lit conditions, you can manually choose the right parameters of the scenes by utilizing the Integrated Self-Defined Image Quality or IQ feature. The Advanced Electronic Image Stabilization or EIS provides steady and seamless footage. Its 2-inch touchscreen LCD offers 320 by 240 resolution that clearly displays the view of your footage, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. It also has an intuitive user interface that navigates the settings, modes, preview, and playback easily. The Corning Gorilla Glass of the LCD protects the screen from scratches and accidental impact. The patented Sony X-Armor image sensor makes it possible for you to seamlessly record video footage up to 4K resolution and capture it in 16 megapixel photos. All of your recordings are stored in the advanced Hi3556 chipset that allows you to record 1080p by 60 frames per second video without worrying about running out of memory. It also uses a reliable lithium battery that can last up to 130 minutes without overheating. This highly efficient compact camera helps you connect to your social media platforms with its dual-band Wi-Fi feature and 4.1 Bluetooth Low Energy. You can remotely control the camera up to 10 meters of distance using the Bluetooth. Each of these cameras is truly impressive. Pick the one that suits your needs and your preferences. Invest in a professional camera that can capture the epic and thrilling moments of your life. Don't settle for inferior cameras that can't meet your expectations. And if you're on a budget, buy the best one that guarantees exceptional video recording and images. At this juncture, we believe you've probably already made up your mind on what you want to buy, so click the link in the description field where our best offer awaits you. Time to live life by the fullest by documenting all of your exciting events while on the road or underwater in real time. You only live once, so make the most of everything and share it with the world. Before we end our video today, let us know your comments and suggestions by writing them in the comment box. If you want to receive notifications when our new videos are put out, tap the bell icon and we'll keep you notified. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and to join our growing community. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on the ReviewTube channel.